What is an automatic pick and place machine? An automatic pick and place machine (APM), commonly known as a surface-mounted technology machine, is a key piece of equipment in modern electronic manufacturing. This machine is designed to automatically pick electronic components onto printed circuit boards with high precision and speed. The APM typically operates in automated production lines and is used for assembling PCBs that support surface-mounted components, which are soldered directly onto the board without the need of through-hole mounting. The machine works by picking up components from a reel or a trail, aligning them accurately using cameras or sensors, and then placing them onto the PCB. This process drastically reduces human intervention, minimizing errors and increasing productivity. APMs are widely used in industries such as consumer electronics, automotive, telecommunication, and medical devices. Automatic pick and place machine capability. The pick and place capability of an automatic machine is largely determined by its speed, accuracy, and flexibility. These machines are capable of placing a wide range of components, including resistors, capacitors, ICs, LEDs, and connectors, with size ranging from small 0201 to large components like connectors and heatsinks. High-end pick-and-place machine can achieve placement speeds of up to 100,000 components per hour, with placement accuracy often reaching within a few microns. This high precision is essential for ensuring the functionality of modern electronic devices where the components are extremely small and packed densely on PCBs. Furthermore, automatic pick-and-place machine can be equipped with multiple heads, each capable of placing different components, which increase their throughput and versatility. The advantage of automatic pick-and-place machine. The primary advantage of using automatic pick-and-place machine is the significant increase in production efficiency compared to manual placement. Automatic machine can handle much high volume with greater speed and accuracy. Some of the other key benefits include high precision. Automatic machine use advanced vision system and sensors to ensure that components are placed with micron-level accuracy. This reduces the risk of faulty placement, which could lead to defects in the final product. Increased productivity. Automatic placement can operate continuous 24/7 with minimal downtime. This boosts throughput and helps meet tight production deadlines, especially in industries with high-demand products. Cost efficiency. While the initial investment in pick-and-place machine may be significant, they can lead to long-term cost saving through reduced labor costs, minimize human error, and optimize material usage. Flexibility. Modern APMs are highly flexible, able to handle various components types and sizes, which make them ideal for low-volume, high-mix production environments. They can easily be reprogrammed to accommodate new products and design without a need for extensive retooling. Reliability and consistency. By automating the placement process, this machine helps ensure consistency